Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
Carbon-neutral private jet company VeriJet has announced plans to expand its services to the Caribbean. This is the first time the Florida-based company expanded internationally. VeriJet planes service southeast and west coast regions of the U.S. According to VeriJet, its SF-50 Vision jets gives it access to smaller, more local airports, allowing passengers to bypass long airport queues and smoothly travel internationally. Caribbean Cement Company Limited is targeting a February date to launch its newly co-branded Virtua certified cement as part of its efforts to reduce carbon emissions by 40% come 2030. The Virtua seal on Carib cement packaging is an indication that the company has achieved its parent company's global standard of reducing carbon emission between 15% and 40% during the production of the commodity.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.